It's been a while and I'm back. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Moniana Dhurabadrum, your Google Tech Savvy virtual assistant providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. If you are a business owner and you use make.com for automations, but you do not have a Google domain, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Apps to your domain on make.com without using a Google domain. This can be a little bit technical, but just for the tutorial. So let's dive right in. You're going to sign into a Google Cloud Platform using your Google credentials. Click Enable APIs and Services. Do not forget to label your project. Search for the name of the service that you want to use. Now click the Google Drive API service you want to connect to make.com. Click on Enable. Now click on OAuth consent screen. Choose the external option, then click Create. Enter the name of the app that you are using. I'm using make.com. Then you're going to use your personal Gmail. Copy the application homepage and paste it here. Scroll down, enter authorized domain 1. Enter your personal Gmail address in the developer contact information. Click Save and Continue. Now you're going to add the scopes for Google Drive API. Select all the scopes for Google Drive API. Click Update. Click Save and Continue. Now you're going to go to Testers. You're going to add your personal email, save and continue. Now click on Credentials. Click Create Credentials. Select Auth Client ID. Application type Web application. Give your application a name. Add URI. Now paste the URI. Paste the same URI in the authorized redirect URIs. Click Save. Go to your Auth client IDs. Copy the client ID. You're going to paste it on the client ID in the Google Drive. Copy the client secret. Paste it in the client secret. It can take some few minutes for Google to verify the app. Click Continue. So it's now verifying and you are good to go. This method provides you all the features of Google Workspace while keeping your domain on make.com. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit a thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe, and if you have any questions, kindly comment down below or send me an email. Thank you for watching. Bye.